All right, let's find the missing decay product. Okay, let's look at charge. So this is +1 equals, and this is, we're trying to figure out what this guy is, right? These are both 0, so to balance this, this needs to have a charge of +1. Okay, I got it. All right, let's look at our electron numbers. We've got 0 equals, because it's a muon, an anti-muon, right? And then our electron numbers, this guy's 0, but the electron neutrino is +1. So this guy is going to have a -1 electron number. Yeah? Is that right? Yeah, because it's got to add to 0. Okay. And let's see, the muon numbers, this one's -1 because it's the anti-muon, right? I am the anti-muon. Sorry. Okay, let's see. And this is -1. This is 0. I feel like muon number is already balanced. So we have 0 muons, no springs. I can't draw. Like, why does it do that? Okay, there we go. Now I can draw. All right, so what has a charge of +1 and an electron lepton number of -1? Could it be a positron, an anti-electron? An E+, right? Would have a charge of +1, but a electron lepton number of -1. Yeah? Yeah, that's the guy. It's a positron. All right.